Hello friends. So, in the last class we were learning something about the small word a. We saw, what are the things that we saw already? We saw one, this is an article. You call it an article. Two, it is used with the count nouns. 3. It is used with count nouns. Count nouns. 4. It is used with singular nouns. Singular nouns. Nouns means names. See? So, our knowledge so far is, what is our knowledge so far? Article a is used with singular count nouns, not plural. Plural of nouns you can make just by adding s. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls, toy, toys, like this. So you can say a toy, a boy, a cow, a cat, a dog, a tree, like this. A tree. So you can see these are nouns, they are singular and they are count nouns. Non-count nouns you cannot use this. You remember, you cannot say a oil. You cannot say. You cannot say a jam. You cannot say a jelly. You cannot say a powder. You cannot say a water. You cannot say because they are non-counts. So far. Now you look at this. See, you have nouns like this, no? Arm, and. See this? Arm and army. Arm and army. Then you have what? Apple. You like apples? Apple, American, arm and army, apple, American, as. See, you have that. See it. Then again you have got nouns like, you must have seen these nouns now in your book. See, nouns we have like, see, eagle, oh, egg, okay. Egg, you have egg. Then you have eye, ear, eagle, egg, eye, ear, eagle. Then you have got you have ear, election, yes. You have election, such words are nouns. And after that you have words like a Indian, idiot, index as well. That's then you have ice cube. You can count that now. Ice cube, etc. And you have again nouns like ox, onion you said, onion, oven, oracle, ox, onion, oracle, then orange, you have got orange. Then you have words like omni, omelette, omni, omelette. You have omni, omni you have then omelette, omelette, ovum, etc. Isn't it? And further you have uncle, we have uncle and umbrella. Now you see. So what is it? You can see, you can have one more ulcer, that's not a good word, ulcer and so on. So you can see words beginning, here you see arm, count, single, count noun, ant, you can count, single, army, you can count, apple, you can count, American, you can count, ass, egg, or the nouns written on the board you can count. See that? And like boy, you can count boy, toy, then toy, chair, desk. You can count this, no? So you say a boy. Now what you do is you can use a with boy, right? You can use it, no? Because count nouns. A boy, a toy, a chair, a desk. But suppose you write it here, a arm, A.An, a army, a apple, a American, a ass. Then again you have got a egg, a eye. You can use it, no? A eagle, a election. A Indian, a idiot, a ice cube, a uncle, a umbrella, a ass. And here again, suppose you do like this. Then what will happen, you know? Your teacher will say no. Why? Why? That's the question. Your teacher will say again. Wrong. This is right. Tick. What's the problem? You know what's the problem? What's the problem? This is what we are seeing, common nouns, singular nouns. But there is a problem. And that problem is these words, not this. What do you see on the board? All of them begin with a vowel sound. A vowel sound. Vowel sound. Don't be misled by vowel letter. You may say now this is vowel A. You are taught like this now, or we are taught like this. Vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. So we are taught that, or we are told that if a count noun, a singular count noun begins with A, E, I, O, U, you have to use not a, but you have to use what, which is the word you have to use meaning one. The word you have to use meaning one is an. An arm, an ant, an army, an apple, an American, an ass, an egg, an eye, an ear, an eagle, an election, an Indian, an idiot, an ice cube, an uncle, an umbrella, an ulcer, an ox, an onion, an oven, an oracle, an orange, an omni, an omelette, an owl. So, there are two words in English, two articles in English with the same meaning. What is the meaning? One. And those articles are, one is a and the other is an. Both same meaning one. Both are used with the singular nouns. Both are used with the count nouns, but difference. What is the difference? When you find a singular count noun begins with a vowel sound, then you should use an before that, not a. The easiest way to find out whether it is a vowel sound or not. But you look for the spelling A-E-I-O-U. But not always, that will not help you always. But many cases it will help you. For example, you can see A, you can see E, the letter E, you can see I, you can see O, you can see O. So you say that any singular count noun that begins with what? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. Vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. That is vowel letters. Yeah, vowel. These are vowel letters. Vowel letters. Not vowel sounds. So don't get mixed up. Don't misunderstand things. So for the time being you can say, till we know what is vowel sound, what is some other sound. Till we know. You can, for the time being, you understand it this way. If a singular count noun begins with A, E, I, O, U, you should use an before that, not A. Instead of A, you should use an. Is that alright? So far alright? Okay, very good. Very fine. Then, now you see, so far what we have done is, once again I will repeat for you. So now we have revised our understanding of article. That is, article, you call this article. You have two, not one. One is A, the other is an. Both meaning is same, one. Now A-an, first A-an, meaning one. Two, used with count nouns only. 3, used with singular nouns, nouns only. Now that means together you can say singular count nouns, singular count nouns. Now here so far it's okay. Now here there is a wall between the two. What we say in Hindi, diwar, a wall. What is the wall? So here, they separate company. Company is broken. So a is used with singular count nouns that begin with letters other than A, E, I, O, U. And suppose an is used with singular count nouns that begin with A, E, I, O, U. So any word begins with A, E, I, O. But remember when I said this, again we will revise this. So for the time being, to begin with, to start with, you understand it this way. If you find a word that begins with A-E-I-O-U, use AN. If you find a word begins with other letters, say P, a B, say a boy, a packet, say like that, a packet, a boy, a man, a woman, a teacher, see, a C, like that. If the word begins with A-E-I-O-U, then AN. We will revise it after some time. Time being is over. Okay? Is that alright? So what are the new things that we studied today? First we saw there are two articles, A and An. Their meaning is same. Both are used with the singular count nouns. An is used with the singular count nouns that begins with A-E-I-O-U. Otherwise, A is used. For example, a packet. Isn't it? A packet begins with the P. But an eagle. Say that, an eagle. A boy. But an ox. A girl. But an umbrella. Understand? A cow. But an animal. A woman. An egg. A board. Okay, B we have. A top. An ant. See that? I hope you understand now. So, if we find A-E-I-O-U starting, if a word starts with A-E-I-O-U, vowel letters, underline. Because we will revise it. Means more about it we will know later. So, for the time being you understand, if a word begins with, if a singular count noun begins with A-E-I-O-U, then you should use AN before it. For the time being, okay? But otherwise you use A. I think it is clear to you, right? Very good. So, we will continue this again. The next class, next tutorials, we will have more of this. As I told you, we will revise. Till then, bye. Goodbye.